Hello friends and car enthusiasts.
This video is about a tuning project with a bagged Volkswagen Bora MK4 on all the rims. So this Bora is on airway suspension and all the rims. Owner changed headlights and front and rear bumpers.
Owner of the car want to show his tuning story for new ideas in your project. If you have any question about this car, don't hesitate and ask in comment section below, and also you will find in description a link to the owner of the car. In this way you will make a new friends and you can change opinion and ideas. Next I will let you to see the video and I hope you will enjoy.
I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Leave your answer in the comment section below. What change would you make to this car to make it look better? What do you think he is missing? Do you think it will look better with another change? What change?
For love, yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Don't you know? I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold.
Remember, all these videos on this channel is made only in collaboration with the car owner and only with his approval. So if you have a project with your car and you want to show that project here on this channel, you will find in the description all you need to contact me.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell. In this way you will know every time when I upload a new video. Bye bye.